how to create AI commercials using Sora AI. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So it was very easy. For that, we will simply go to ChatGPT because for making perfect prompt. After that, we will get best commercial videos. We need to use ChatGPT to create a prompt. So let's go to ChatGPT. Here you guys will simply tell ChatGPT about your product or idea. As you guys can upload your pics. So once you do that, after that you tell ChatGPT that I want to create videos using Sora AI for my commercial video and for my that product video and write the prompt for me. So ChatGPT will write prompts. So simply copy that prompts and after that go to Chrome. So we need to open Chrome. And after opening Chrome, the interface will look like that in Sora AI. Here you guys can see plus icon, so simply click on plus icon. Now you will paste the prompt to the ChatGPT to generate it for you. And after pasting it, simply click on that arrow and that's it, your commercial video will be start generating. Once it's ready, you guys can edit it or use it. Thanks for watching.